So dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily install Google Chrome on your Mac. So for doing this, you just need to go to your Safari and just tap Google. Now you just need to write Google Chrome. Mac. So just tap on the first thing you will see here. And now you will see download Chrome. So just tap on it. Just choose your Mac. If your Mac is with Intel chip, just tap here, or if with Apple chip, just tap here. So after your download will start, so here you can see it, and wait until it will successfully download, and you will be able for opening it. So after just tap on it and it will successfully open. So now just get your Google Chrome and just put it inside your applications folder. So now here you can see that I already have Google Chrome, so had the Google Chrome, so just I will stop it. But after you will do it, it will successfully move Google Chrome to app. So I will do it for you. I just and choose replace. So it is in use. That's why I can't do it now. But also after you move it to applications folder, you will be able for opening it and use it on your Mac. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel. Click like and goodbye.